Brenda here with Nana's Hidden Apron. It is Tuesday, November 26th, and it's time to brine the turkey. We're actually going to smoke our turkey this year. It's going to be a first, obviously. But now, hopefully, I've got a good brine solution here. I let the turkey thaw completely. We're using a fresh turkey breast. And it's big. It's big. There's going to be plenty. But I've got everything ready now. But I'm gonna switch this around and show you guys and tell you what I've done. Okay? Hold on just a second. By the way, welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. If you haven't yet, please do hit the subscribe button if you like the content, if you're new. If you're not and you've been following me for a while, you've been a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. You guys just, you don't know how happy you make me when you subscribe and start checking out and commenting on the things that we're doing. I appreciate it, and so does Tom. But about there's a dinner bell that's going to pop up. If you subscribe and you pop that dinner bell, you'll get notifications of when I have some new content put on. But for right now, hang on. I actually have a dryer going in the background. I've got the trash delivery people out here who Brinkley just has to let them know that he is king of his yard. So that's him you hear barking. I'm going to stop this until they go on by, and then I'm going to show you the turkey that's over here in the brine. Okay, he's back there running back and forth now, but hopefully he'll behave. This is what I put in. I put smoked paprika in it. I put garlic in it. I put some garlic powder in it. Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke. I actually used two of these purified waters. And I used a Coke Zero because I wanted the acid in there for starters to help go ahead and moisten and tenderize the turkey. But I also used Coke Zero because I've already put the brown sugar away. I did put half a cup of brown sugar in here. And, I'd like to try to keep that sugar on the low side. But here it is. And I also went ahead and sprinkled some parsley flakes on the top of it there. But that's the turkey breast. There's two of them in there. It's in the brine. And I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that lid on there too. Just to keep all of the fumes from the liquid smoke and from the Worcestershire sauce. Try to keep it all in there and keep it compact so that actually gets into the meat of our turkey breast. Okay, hold on just a second while I go ahead and cover this. Okay, I tucked that underneath of my pot really good under that lid so that it gets as good a seal as possible. I'm going to let this brine for, I'm thinking 10 hours, maybe 12, it just depends. But I'm thinking just 10 hours because I've got a lot of flavorful liquids in here. So, I don't want to overdo it. We want it to taste like smoked turkey. That's what we want it to taste like. But then I'm going to set this lid, like I say, on top of there too. I don't know. I don't think it's going to make that much difference. But that way I keep my pot and my lid together, right? Be sure if you put your turkey, let's see if I can do this. Be sure if you put your turkey in your sink for any reason like I did, I like to rinse it off really good with cold water. And, if it's got the skin on it, one of them does, well, half of it does, half of it doesn't. But, sometimes the people that process these poultry miss some feathers. And we don't want any feathers in there. And it's a good thing that I wash it and that I check it like that, because I did have to pull several feathers out of it. But, and then when you finish with that, be sure to thoroughly disinfect your sink. Bleach it. I think that's the best thing to do. Bleach it, and then scour it with a soft abrasive. Rinse it just really good. Just try to get that bacteria out of there. We don't want bacteria. We don't want anybody sick that comes and eats at our house, right? Okay. We're going to put this on the smoker tomorrow, so that'll be another vlog. But if you like this, do me a favor, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. See ya.